Wero TV ni kithaa kingi bara tukethirwa twikari nthi na mugeni ndani ya studio cietu muthenya wa mundi kuma kiri Karumo Training Technical Institute na twina mugeni na rietwa Flora ndani ya studio muthenya wa mundi tukethirwa tukimenya montu megie montu megie skuru ino iria recently yumite kwithirwa igitumirwa itongoretie kiri Training Institute acionthe anthini ya Kenya na twina mugeni Flora ndani ya studio na kethirwa agetwira nkoroki. Karibu sana mugeni Flora.
Thank you so much. Maritwa mbetagwa Flora Njura Kanywa, mwalimu mkuu Karumo Technical Training Institute. Na umuthi nenganete muno gukorwo ni vamwe namwe in the studio. Na mbuge ninirakethia andu onthe, especially my trainers from Karumo TTI. Njoke ngethia aciari yakwa na ngethie andu onthe aria mambisi na nimere umuthi ningumamenyithia uvoro wa Karumo Technical Training Institute.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, asante muno. Na mbere na kiuria kiambere kabisa ninkumenya Flora atika ambiriria kuthomithia kana atika thongirite Karumo atuka principal kwina journey iria withiritwe ukithie mwanka wa kinyira agutuka principal wa skuru ino. Maybe no twerense ne ati umbite kwithirwo gikinya kiwango kiu.
Thank you. Kambuge nina postirwe ne a very young girl Meru National Polytechnic, then yetagwa Meru Technical, na nambiriria ni ta mwarimu wa kirathi. After a short while nina twirwe a class teacher kuma vau anene aria mai iguru rietu makiona ningo manage ukora ni a section head ni mundu ria ukoragwa in charge ya irathi nyingi. Then after that nina twirwe deputy HOD. Kuma deputy HOD nina twirwe HOD wa business studies at Meru National Polytechnic. Then ngiuma Meru National nivaruna postrwe Karumo Technical Training Institute as a deputy principal academics. Kuna viene karamia kaire. Then after mwarimu ya wae principal avuro transfer Mr. Mutembei akivirwa Meru National Polytechnic. Then I took over. And I wish to take this chance to appreciate my predecessor, Mr. Mutembei, tondo he has mentored me to be whom I am today.
Okay.
My management, it has not started at Karumo. I started quite a while, and I'm also a treasurer in the YCS Meru Diocese for the intercolleges and universities. Kogo nurona still nina another jukumu as a leader in the YCS movement. Na let me appreciate my chaplain, Father John Paul, uria turutaga wira nake. Yes.
Okay, ukothongira screeno ya Karumo for the first time as the principal. Ninkumenya kwina ambisha wethire skuru inu. Maybe no bote kwerensa kiria wa wethire first impression na buria wa banganire kubangania skuru inu.
Nathire Karumo TTI 2020 na nyumeta Meru National Polytechnic. Department irana in Meru National Polytechnic yaina siana 2,500 na Rimo 57. So now when I went at Karumo in 2020, nathire na kora skuru ina siana 900, and I felt we were not utilized. Kogo netwakarire na Mr. Mutembei, the principal then, we came up with marketing strategies. Na I was in charge of the marketing na kuma vau nina thire tukiorganize na Rimo to market our institution, and that is why it has grown kuma 900 2020, and as we speak now we are at 5,500 students.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so far Karumo TTI tuge mwina employees megana kana mwandikite antuta megana ugu?
Karumo ni twandikite andu wengi. Tondo PSC twe twandikitwe ni PSC Public Service Commission na twina Rimo 30, lakini board ya Karumo ya andika Arimo 79 na twina non-teaching. Kwa hivyo in our institution twina more than 120 staff, and kindly let me appreciate them all tondu we work as a team na nikio tuvotete gukora tugeretie uguo tugeretie. Yeah.
Okay, so far Karumo ni botete kwithirwa kenonswa yethirwa ikianirwa iri the best. Tuge au before kwina cheo kana giti kingi mwana ethirwa mukigwata before this as a school?
Neto ekaga drama koguo twananyita maybe number 1, number 2, lakini things to do with PC enoru turasindire nitwakoragwa twi top 10 lakini tutiana kinya number 1 and all through tutoraga turutaga wira niguo to achieve the best na no atuge ngai ni mutu wonekaniru to ni turamanagere ru gukinya the peak para twatoraga to expected gukinya. Yeah.
Okay, and maybe kwina muntu fulani ethirwe ni murutwa ethirwe ni muciari akwadmaya kwithirwa akireta mwana wawe kana nkinyagia mara makuthoma mari aciari kuthomera skuruni ino na ati kwerewa wega ni kibewa kiriku kana ni trophy riku ino yongwa mubotete kugwata no mwereithie?
Turagwatire trophy ya first performance contracting ando ni maraudia what is this performance contracting na kambuge at the beginning of every year ni tusetaga targets kana maundu mari orenda gwika mwaka ucio. Koguo ru every financial year at the beginning of every financial year ni tusetaga targets na icio targets mwaka ugikinya kuthira ni mwekaraga ndimo ka assesswa ni andu wa ministry magauka ru kuona how far have you managed to accomplish the targets you had set. Like in our case, nitwaugite nitukweja borehole of which we dug. Tukiuga niturenda performance yetu ithi higher na nitwa managere go achieve the performance na we surpassed it. Twauga niturenda population ya Karumo ithi higher na yathiire very high. In fact, vau to score excellent. Ugituika nitu set target ya kuambiria agriculture department of which we started na as we speak now ina ciana 290. Koguo targets ino cionde twasetre afterwards nitwekarire nthi na dwa ministry makaroria mone what you set at the beginning of the year we mo manage to accomplish and at Karumo TTI after we were assessed nitwonekire we had done almost everything na nikio ru turajivunia gukorwo twi number 1 out of 135 TVET institutions in Kenya. Yeah.
Okay, maitama mengi nwithagira sukuru ya gwata such a trophy this time ukethira next time makurelax kana makethirwa matiku migwata kairi akethirwa makwambira ku relax no tumariona mari mambere mio ni mukubanga ku maintain the position na ni njira ile kumukethwa mugitumira ku maintain a trophy ni enu
ni tora maintain tondo due to in the 4th quarter no ninakwira to set targets financial year kiambiriria na kithira rumo ke mukiroragia what have you not achieved. As we speak now the targets we had set for first, second and third quarter iso cionde tuyarikiu ruto kete in the 4th quarter na still iso cia on the 4th quarter what we are finalizing. That is why I'm very confident kuga we will retain our trophy and we want to achieve even higher than what we have done. Niturenda go score higher marks kusinda ile twascoete in this last financial year. Yeah.
Okay, ukiraithiria monto momonde nikenda mubota ku achieve na nkinyagia goals incionde mubotete go set na mwethirwa muki ikinyanithiria kana muge ikinyira ni kwendekana monto mengi muno iribo cooperation kiri ciana iribo cooperation kiri arutiwira na momonde tuge twarire monto ma discipline skuruni ino.
Arimu kwa kwanza makoro mai very disciplined na at Karumo netukoro na one target teamwork. Koguo ru turutaga wira as a team kwambiriria arimu nginya ciana cietu na teaching we work as a team na nikio rona twi we are able gukora tukinyete vau tukinyete thaino na on discipline issues skuru yetu 23 kilometers kuma Meru town. In other ones tuko mashinani. Koguo ru sukuru mashinani wanasiana itevotaga gukorwa ciena a lot of maundu mara mangi magiriria ku concentrate. Koguo ni mavotaga ku concentrate na discipline wise we are okay tuti complainaga na kambuge kiu nikio gitumite tukora ru tugi perform overall other than the PC wananginya performance yetu ni mbega na nirauria ciari maturetere ciana tondu once mwana waku auka gwetu nitukumold na rest assured akavituka igaranio. Yes, otherwise we work as a team. Like now riu twa set targets ino cia last financial year ni twetire arimu wetu na non-teaching tukina mera what is expected at Karumo. Koguo everybody I part and parcel gututethia go achieve these targets na nikio tugete as management we need to appreciate our trainers, our non-teaching na niturauga nitukumava certificates of appreciation tondu niturona every one of them participated in our achievement. Yeah.
Okay, no tuelense ka history kidogo ga Karumo. Kidogo tu.
Thank you. Karumo ne ambiriretie 2016. Na ciana nini na kambuge na riu ni principal wa kathatu, the third principal twaina the first one John Kimemia, the second was Mr. Mutembei Anderson, then I'm now the third principal na sukuru yetu 23 kilometers kuma town, Meru town, Maua highway, then there's Kwamosi junction ukathie 3 kilometers kuma Kwamosi junction and we occupy 16 acres. Koguo na skuru yetu ni ndume wega ina facilities ata ingawa tondu ciana ni nyingi muno ni turemagwa ku accommodate all of them, but we have come up with mitigation how we mitigate that. Tondu rimwe ni tumaigagira tents makathomera ku tondu our intention here ni kumava knowledge, but our workshops are well na ni tuvotaga kumava the right skills. Twina arimu qualified tondu ni most of them are hata wenye tumeajili na BOG nituroragia muno qualifications ciao niguo tuvote ku engage all qualified trainers arema kuvota ku understand how to impact knowledge to our students na the skills, the right skills to our students.
Okay, tutongere kire courses zire mwithagirwa mwinacio ni courses ta iriku?
Twina courses nyingi. Twina building and civil, diploma, certificate na kambuge for you to do a certificate mwana koragwa ina D+. To manage a diploma wambagiriria C- na tutina limit ya the marks upwards. Nitorona nowadays ciana equalified kuthie in other institution, higher learning institutions make opt kokoroma in the TVET. Kogo all of them they are welcome, so to offer artisan certificate and diplomas. And for artisan ni cia mwana uria gwite na nitugaga in TVET ciana tingweu wagirwa ni kureta everybody on board ana mwana uria wina E twina course for that person. Mwana uria wina wa class 8 anaone tumavesaga arts and courses and they can fit in our institution. Kogo twina building and civil, twina electrical and electronics maundu ma thitima, twina plumbing gwikira ronje nyombari, twina hospitality, twina secretarial studies, twina business studies, ICT, cosmetology eo incorporating maundu ma mutundu na finally twina masonry. So in short nurona Karumo ina all the courses mwana angienda gwika na nituvotaga kumaba the right skills. Nitwekaga something we call tracer study. Once ciana ciauma our institution nitwendaga kumenya mathie kumarikia sukuru na last year we did a tracer study na nitwonire quite a number their job creators tondu engi ni avinguru ma company mao ni mavotete kuandika andu engi na engi mai ofisire ngurani na nitwonete ucio ni undu mwega na nitukenaga tuona ciana cietu succeedete.
No bote kwira mutegeri intake cienu chithagirwa iri ciari nari.
Intake cietu ikoragwa cia January, May na September. Taru twina intake in May and eyo nitura expect quite a number of students to come in. Now our doors are open. Nima okay nitukuvata kuma mold na something else dana kwira tukoragwa na other activities co-curricular activities nitwendaga ciana cietu ikore i holistic. Twina things to do with drama. Taru as we speak now, next week nituravira 6 items in Mombasa tondu twaina 5 number 1s na 2 number 2s. so chances of us anakutonya State House again ni very very high and we have very high quality items. Nitukoragwa na guidance and counseling tukanote mwana ena thina nitumurifaga to the guidance and counseling department areru mageragia kumariria na nitwonaga undu cio ukimatethia mwana uri aregwa ina challenge akarirwa ni andu aya guidance and counseling na also nitu encourage arimu maria na ciana mbere ya mathomithia their lessons makaria nao 5 minutes life skills and that way we have seen it help na niturona ciana cietu at least ni irabota gusavika from obstructors and also my office it is open for them nimendaga gukora twi close na ciana because of course I have the mother instincts koguru mwana arauka kwakwa ningeragia uria ningimutethia na that is the trend at Karumo TTI na nituonete maundu mau makimatethia muno ta ciana cietu.
Okay, labda kwina muciari aturaithite thainogu na nakuria in case nkwenda kureta mwana acukuruni ino ya Karumo procedure ithagirwe iria atia admission na kuthungira cukuru.
Okay, procedure nitumathecaga admission letters muciari no auke cukuru tukamova admission letters kana na no atuvurire thimu tukamwira uria akovata ku download marua yetu tondu ni turenda ku make their work very easy. Maybe twena muciari waku makisuma na ni arenda kureta mwana Karumo ni tumekaga their work easy ni tuvataga kumava directions uria mangi download admission letters yetu na tukamava the specific courses iria mwana arafiti gwika.
Nonto schools initiative ni skuru imingi muno Kenya ngima ni skuru mingi muno iribo nimbi mutumaga mwe mutuka muri unique mbona mnigitumikire ku muri unique
teto unique no ndo wa mbere na kwera we work as a team arimu wetu they are motivated to work. Then as management we have set conducive working environment such that you can come at Karumo past 5:30 no gakora arimu tumaiku. That is a sign ya gukonia aya arimu ni akenu in their working stations na that is why mavotete go produce what we are seeing. Tondo one of the thing in the performance contracting ni twareti overall performance academically na we as we speak now to at 78% performance. Ukami compare na the other technical I mean overall ya Kenya it is far ahead of it. Kogwo yo ni rakonia at Karumo nitumanijaga ko perform very well which is giving us an extra mile. Then again ninakwira our institution iko mashinani that makes the students concentrate and arimu ni mavotaga go concentrate tondo mwarimu once he or she is in the institution urauma uthiete kuna town ni kilometer 30 it is more than 30 Konguru you tend to concentrate even as a trainer the trainees now we have seen it really assisting us in the performance. Then again nitwigaga some monitoring toka note kwe mwana tarathie kirathire then we do a follow up na rimwana nituvuragira ciari yao thimu na that one has also helped us in containing the students. Na ringi tuge mwana ndareka kigeranio we don't spare them nitwendaga kumonia at Karumo we want to do things right akora nekigeranio time weku we take the discipline measures and this has also helped us to curb down the issue of ati mwana ndaneka kigeranio ama sijiski kufanya hii na hii kwa nituonete those control measures ni tutethetie ko maintain discipline amongst our students na nuramenya kwina correlation between discipline and performance. Kwa if our discipline is okay then our performance is okay which is being portrayed by what you are seeing now.
Okay, no areri about security sukuruni ino security muithagirwa mwina security karangiatia kana muithagirwa mukibanga bagania security ya students atia.
Okay, skuru yetu ni secure. Undu wa mbere ni tukoragwa twina watchmen aria makoragwa mai in charge ya muthenya na kwina otuko. Then our school is fenced. Uteugwa andu mangi vata kukami nene hauli na kambuge also ni tuvotete go coexist very peacefully na our neighbors. No menya rumwe na peaceful coexistence with them utegwa rumonge mungiambiriria gukora mwina issues koguo nao ni matuvecaga security. Then twina Gondoni police station, it is like 4 kilometers kuma Karumo. So in case of any issue ni to communicate nao but so far gutina issue twanakora twinayo na ni turacokeria Ngai ngatho nundu ni atuvete a conducive environment tutanagia na issues na ni turetikia na ni turamwitikia ni akuthi na mbere na gutumenyerera na gutuva a secure place whereby it will be conducive to work and to train.
Okay, kire nini ya security bado nithagira kire institutions mingi tekire tibeta kinyagia kire ma university mamangi nithagira kwina rimwe students methagirwa mari makireta thina nini mwe mumba ku cooperate atia na students menu in case of such disagreements.
Riu ndo wa mbere at Karumo ni tuthikagiriria ciana. You know, aya na andu agima na ni wega ku listen to their views na ni twikaraga ndi tukegusana nao. Riu ni tuonaga that will help, it helps us a lot. Tondo taruma kauga we want this ni twikaraga ndi nao tukamonia this will not work, tukamamba an alternative, and that way now ni tuonete tutikoragwa twina issue ya sijui strikes na nini na again twina very strong student council na sio ni matutethetie muno korani sukuru yetu tondo they are now with the peers maina their peers nituvotaga kumari kwaria nao makaria na their peers na in case of any issue nituvotaga kumitigate mbere ya ikinya that ati ciana ni strike kana itarenda kwigura irerwa nitwetikitie na round table tukaraniria nao na tukegusana. Koguo that way now we have never reached a point ati ciana ni ikogoma kana ni igwikana oru in the institution.
Na kire institution tenu iria ciana ikuthoma ni kwithagirwa nkinyagia na ciana cithagirwa cina talents ni mwithagirwa muna space ya kuna talents ya ciana.
Twina space like now kwina mwana omwe wina talent ya kudraw. There is kwina mwana wa akenjora and the picture came exactly the way I am. Koguo mwana tocio you buy the item for him na nitwariria na arimu engi at least mavote ko mu promote na makamuvambe sanondo ni aratwenderia the portraits tukamugurira na that you make him at least manage to purchase even the items which he is supposed to use. Then nene resiria twa vingora next term anengwenda kuform a committee to come up with the strategies uria tukuvota gutethia ciana ino cietu ciena talent tondu tutirenda maurire just like that tone how we can push them upwards and that will also be our joy.
Okay. Leo Flora no merense kuhusu school fees yenyu ithagirwa igana atia kana irinjagira mbia cigana kana utaririe ni kuringana na courses kana natia.
Institutions on the countrywide ni twaverwe directives tukarivia 56,000 in a year. Koguo riu uka divide that amount nuko na mbesa ile musiari yagirore ni kuriva. Kwina thirikari ne na tuvesaga capitation na help lakini from the look of things nitakuwa mbesa icio tutakonaga. Koguo riu ni turenda ku encourage aciari mundu agauka aka negotiate na atue uria akavota kuriva mbesa icio tondu ni turenda every child avote kuthoma. Lakini still on the other hand no ature mwene ku manage skuru tutai na mbesa no ru twava a parent a leeway, maybe you pay slowly by slowly then mwana yone akuvota kuthoma na still musiari yone agutova mbesa tuvote kuthondeka maendeleo thiini wa skuru yetu.
Ni kwithagirwa kuna challenges ya school fee muno na gwe ni kumenya uri the principal acari mara wonaga tugirimwe ni makuremerwa zaidi na murutwana kwenda kuthoma na nuko na nkinyagia na passion ya kuthoma kabisa na nkinyagia ni a performer muruthaga atia.
Sometimes netu rimwe tuonaga kwina very potential student we tunafunga macho ageka kigeranio lakini nuramenya ru tutenge release the result slip ginya atove VC balance ria nayo no at least netugaga nitwamwezesha kufanya mtihani na nitwendaga ku discourage that element tondu riu rimwe mwana no akoro ai monwira now we have our certificates with us nona ru iyo ni challenge riu ni tuma encourageaga ni marive tu pole pole wana muciari ora very needy na ringi ni tuvesa gwa capitation na help muno the needy students ni mendaga mesurie help niko mavote gutetheka na besa icio thirikari evesanaga ngiri 26 26 is for help, that is for capitation, lakini riu of late nitako capitation iraura wana help still toteonu the system irugukite that means riu tutengevota kuga nitukuona mbesa nginya riria poto yawe karuguka niro tukamenya kana ciana ni ka benefit kana hapana, lakini riu in preparation of that muciari tu ni ari mbesa pole pole na by the end of 1 year ni agukorwo at least I somewhere. Then again jokia ngatho nyingi muno nundu ni turabewa bursary like let me appreciate Mheshimiwa Daktari Mutunga tarune turaberwe bursary ya Tigania West ni turaberwe ciana cietu ni iraberwe bursary ya Tigania East. I also appreciate na twena nginya bursary ya this sub county kuwo ni turona riu i-combine to cionthe muciari at least ni akuvota riu kurithirwa a bit akina chip in and it become very easy mwana cia kathoma.
Haya kogu mutegeri kethiro wina kiuria no kiriko kiri Principal Flora no withirwe ukimuragia thainogu namba yetu ya studio ni 40188 40188 orie kiuria kirio kwenda kumenya nkoroki ya sukuru ino ya Karumo Training Institute na ninkona kuna ntayari mambirite gukuria kiuria kuna mtu gukwira ni werense direction wega direction tia Karumo kureri.
Okay. Ogesaga ngari cia kuthie maua then on your it is our school it is on the Meru Maua highway it is 23 kilometers kuma Meru town then on your way kwina junction kwa Mosi junction no korotigite Kianjai then there is a small town called Gondone. The next stage is known as Kwamos na kuma Kwamos ni 3 kilometers and our school it is very much accessible tondo it is tarmacked all through. Yes.
Okay.
Na kwena means ya communication from there.
Kuna mtongia na kiuria lakini kiuria hiki ni very funny na wena batire kwithirwa kimenya arioria ati mtu anaweza ingia bila fee.
Nina mereithia tondo school for us to run the institution no nginya tukore twena mbesa na nondu ni twaraga ciana mbere kwina capitation irabewa ni thirikari na help lakini riu tutiena mbesa icio nikio runirera ciari ni tukumaruhusu marive pole pole and that will be possible for each and everyone.
Haya kuna wakuria kama wako na course za human and nutrition and dietetics na kama wako naza health records.
No, our school ni TVET tuvesanaga skills based like maundoma land maundoma building and civil yoni skill ICT will give you skill kwa in the TVET really nitukoragwa na those business courses hata kama tuko nazo si mingi na that course arauria tutinayo tutukoragwa twinayo tondo ni tura concentrate too much on the skills oriented courses being a TVET institution to concentrate too much on skills.
Okay. Haya thina mbere kuria kiuria kiri Principal wa Karumo na kethwa gucokeria kiri 40188 enio namba yetu ya studio. Tukithina mbere Flora kwina challenges iria mwithagirwa mwinacio of course maybe no twire challenge enu iria inene kabisa ni ithagirwa iririku.
Challenge nene pio nina kwera board yandikite arimo 79 uka translate wage bill ni too high na mbesa ino turivaga cia wage we can use it to construct classes no atutumire mbesa iso cia wage kuthondeka other developments. That is our major challenge ingi yetu ni accommodation. School yetu ni holiday day school tondo thirikari ni augire you should not pay admissions on accommodation koguo riu tuvesa gwa accommodation by our neighbors na nituonete rimwe ciana ni ikoragwa nyingi muno nginya imwe travelaga as far as 6 kilometers kuma our institution na at this point nira request andwa na zone can they construct on ne try expect more and more students in come May na nene naigwane na ngimaka kuria tukuma accommodate kwa on request mundu ria we no voti ni athondeke nyumba ciake and I am guaranteeing them nyumba ni gukora na occupants don't try expect a very large population come May 2023 na njokia ngatho renge kwi our landlords ni matutethetie muno tondu if it were not of them ciana cietu itingi na gwa gukoma itingi na accommodation no ni matutethagia gutu accommodate rao na ni tuvotaga riu kumathomithia matai na thina nyingi again twaseteru nyumba ciao we are able to coexist ni tuvotete riu gukara na a lot of unity amongst our students amongst the villagers na that is now giving us a conducive environment
na college eno kuna part time learning kana muonde ni full time
twina full time lakini ni tura intend kwambiriria short courses and once we do that ni tukumenyithia andu tondu rende twarutu to brochures twa short courses that way ni tugukora tugitargetia andu aria mararuta wira kana andu aria marutaga wira matai na certificates wanaone tukumathondekera akanya mavote guka kuthoma hata kama ni mararuta wira na kumari tumatheru certificate ya kuonania they have the knowledge of undertaking whatever they are doing.
Haya, kwina kiuria kingi ukurua in case murutu ethirwe ari skuruni inu na kwenda basari manenkagirwa maria mari county ya Meru kana no gwate basari aumite county ingi kolasa
niwe tunengagirwa basari kuma county cionthe as long as niwe soretie basari from wherever you are basari tarungi nyane turetagirwa basari cia Embu County so depending on where you come from MP waku kana whoever who is giving the bursary ne affecta ruko vasiana cionthe cie college so it doesn't matter okora umete ko but wherever you are coming from no kuvota kuvewa bursary ne MP waku kana ne andora marabesa na bursary from your zone na let me also say this sukuru yetu it has a Kenyan face twina ciana cia all over Kenya kwa it is not something ya Meru County twina nginya ciana cia Kisumu twina ciana cia kuma Kisii twina ciana cia kuma Coast kwa norona it is a Kenyan face na nini na encourage aciari onthe arema ngivota maturetere ciana ciao
haya ukugweta wauga ni kwethagirwa kwina ciana iria icithagirwa irinja ya skuru kwina muntu kuria hostel cienu ethiro ni irindani ya skuru kana irinja
na uga skuru yetu ni day school kogwa ru ciana i accommodateagwa outside but we have seen it work nondo nima commutaga to from the villagers they are within andu matigendaga kurasa muno no angaru aria maturite accommodation completely lakini our villagers within ni avatu gutuma nyumba nyingi
na what impact area ukona wewe as a principal ni impact iliku ukona skuru enu ni ithiritwe inayo kiri the community ni impact teriku
kwina impact nene muno tondu ciana ino cietu irakoma nyumba icio na rent iria irivagwa andu aya landlords ni maramitumira gwitethia again ciana cietu iconsumaga irio iria cira supply wa within their zone last month but one try na graduation na ne aretri andu wengi muno within that area na there was a lot of money in circulation then again tarutwe na vibaruas ni tuvesaga priority andu wa within kugo nurona ni tuvotaga rukuma gukora twina a lot of economy in that area ni tura control a big economy tondo a lot of money is coming from us na ni irathi gutethia the villagers again tukiandikana kana tukivesana these to small jobs we factor these people again ciana iria nyingi ciumite within na iravota guka Karumo igacquire the necessary skills koguo muciari ni aravota gukora na mwana aina skills timathumbura na ringi nondu mwana uyu ni akorwa self independent na tiko magatinda makigiana I want this tondu mwana uyu ni agukorwo ena mbeca cia kwigana koguo all in all our institute has really created a positive impact na ninge request andu aria mangirwa an institute is being developed in their village they just appreciate it because it will be for their benefits yeah it has a lot of benefits
no gwatire wagweta maria nkinyagia mena KCPE certificates ni magusa na makathoma kwina mtokoria na kama mtu ana KCPE
sasa hiyo hatutaweza tondu no nginya akorwo ena specific certificate do the lowest ni KCPE iyo nayo rutu muvesaga artisan course from artisan bugire no kuthia ke certificate kuma certificate aka progress to diploma then from there now you can continue in the university
aya kuna ongea kuria part time fee ithagirwa iri mbia cigana alafu kwina ongea gukuria kethirwa murutwa ni lazima malize miaka 2 kwa course kama vile fashion design hivi
visi nauga visi ni ya 56 na ia koguo kwigwo tumiganagia so tugaga 50% first term then the remaining amount tukami distribute for the 2 terms koguo it is not paid the same amount. The first term is higher then as we proceed to second term and third term inapungua then on the duration usually to guide one syllabus na like every course it has a duration it takes na tondo to have instructions the number of hours you train per course it is not also determines ni the syllabus that determines na nekeru tutengete kira kuthie less